UK. I have Engineer Bridget Kamsi from the US. I have Yasmin from the UK. I have Dr. Benny Blessing Tinglet from the USA. I have my sister Jennifer Dickinson from Canada. And I have my sister Joyce Hicks from the USA. My only big sister, Dr. Patience Ajongwen from the USA. And my big sister, Debbie McCormick from the USA. Welcome, ladies. Welcome, everybody. Good evening. Today, we have yet another very important topic. And the topic is a topic that would last for, let's say, 4 sessions. Okay. We're talking about unpassive, or we're talking about disruptive technology and unpassive. Very interesting topic. We'll hear all the big names, definitions today, and we will learn. You know why? Because technology has come to stay. AI has come to stay. If you look at everything that is going AI, it has come to stay. So this should be our daily topics every day till people get the concepts out there. Okay. So if everybody is getting the concept out there, then we'll be saying we've done something. Because listen, everything is going digital, everything is going AI. Don't be scared of talking about them, and don't be scared also to teach people the concept, so that all of us, you know, our goal, our CEO's goal in Unpassive is to um, Dr. Benny know how to say it very well. She says it is for to uplift humanity and eradicate poverty. So uplifting humanity educationally will educate people. We will also have that financial freedom where we have a lot to help our community, to give back to our community. So this is the time we're creating what is happening. History is coming. And to start it off this evening, I will start it with a video that is talking about what unpassive might be. Then we'll continue from there. Then I will hand it over to the ladies and they will take it go. So let's see what we have for tonight. This video I want to show here. Did I upload the one for? Okay, I will do the one that says unpassive disruptive technology. Let's see. We'll see so many um, concept and words there, definitions that we'll hear them tonight. Okay, thank you. Okay. So for those of you who don't are watching from distances or from anywhere you're watching from, whether on YouTube, whether on Facebook, if you want to know more about our company, you will just type out www.onpassive onpassive.com. So www.onpassive.com, and you will get enough information about ONPASSIVE. Go to our blogs, you will see that. You go to our blogs, yeah, you will see a lot. Then you go to definitions, you go to our social media platforms on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, and on Facebook. You will see our community there, and you can check on some videos that can help you understand all of what we are saying here today, and it will give you an insight of our business and our company. So, I don't know. Our moderator to tonight will be my own sister, Debbie McComey. Mama Debbie, take it over.
All right. Thank you very much, Brother Michael OJONGTAMBIA. And welcome to each and every viewer who is with us tonight. We appreciate you signing in. We love you. We love you. We love you. I cannot overemphasize that. So at this stage, I am going to say that we have our lovely sisters, and there are 6 of them. I will just open the floor and see who is available and able to start first to tackle the agenda that we have tonight. And I know who is going to go first. Sister Dr. Patience.
Yes.
I'm volunteering her to go first. And Sister Dr. Benny will come after her. I don't know why I'm saying it, but I know that deep down, these are the people who are the core of our king, Michael OJONGTAMBIA. Thank you, Sister Dr. P. Over to you. The mic is yours.
Thank you, thank you. Yes, for today I really had to go first because I have my part is to actually just say what disruptive technology is. Thank you, Brother Engineer Mike, for sending me back to school. I told you that I've done studying, but you are insisting that I should be studying every week and coming out with 10 papers twice a week. I don't know how this old woman will do it, but I will try. So, what is disruptive technology? Let's start by looking at the word. To disrupt is to change the course, the state, or the perception of something. A disruptive technology is an innovation that dramatically alters how consumers, industries, or businesses operate, think, or uses technology on a day-to-day basis. A disruptive technology sweeps away the systems of or habits it replaces because it has attributes that are recognizably superior. However, in some cases, disruptive technology do not completely remove the current technology they are seeking to replace. That is, a disruptive technology supersedes an old procedure, product, or habit. It usually has superior attributes that are immediately obvious, at least to early adopters. So Clayton Christensen introduced the idea of disruptive technology in 1995, Harvard Business Review article. Clayton later expanded on the topic in The Innovator Dilemma, published in 1997. It has since become a buzzword in startup businesses that seek to create a product with mass appeal. Even startups with limited resources can aim at technology disrupting by inventing an entirely new way of getting something done. Established companies tend to focus on what they do best and pursue incremental improvements rather than revolutionary changes. They cater to their largest and most demanding customers. Startups, rather than established companies, are usually the source of disruptive technologies. Recently, disruptive technology examples include e-commerce, online news site, ride sharing apps, and GPS. We all remember in the old days, we would take up our map to find the way we're going. And GPS actually came, and I don't remember the last time I bought a map. So let's look at some example of disruptive technology. In their own right, in their time, the television, automobile, electricity were disruptive technologies. The television was a disruptive technology that drastically changed the way we use radio, and it became our main source of information and entertainment. The automobile was significantly superior to the horse and carriage. Electricity was a disruptive technology in its time. Electricity has significantly changed the way we use oil lamp, candlelight, firewood to light, to heat our homes, or to even prepare our meals. There are some apps, for example, Luna. Luna, a medtech app, has taken an innovative approach to physical therapy and completely shift the way people receive physical therapies. Netflix disrupt the movie industry and completely change the way we rent videos. We remember in the US that we used to go to rent box, put $1, get a video, come home, and you're rushing to go and replace it within 24 hours to not be charged on fee. Netflix has disrupted that. Uber disrupted the traditional taxi services model in many cities. Some recent disruptive technology include blockchain. Blockchain is the technology behind Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. The blockchain technology has enormous implications and has started disrupting the financial institutions such as banks and stock brokerages. Cloud computing. The cloud is one of the best examples of digital disruption. The cloud is a disruptive technology that has gotten very common in our day-to-day life. Internet of a thing. Even though IoT, which stands for Internet of a Thing, is on the cloud, this technology is also disruptive in its own right. The Internet of a Thing refers to numerous things that are connected to the Internet and capable of sending and receiving data via Wi-Fi. LAN. LAN stands for local area network or cellular networks. Internet of the Things devices include smartwatches, smart home devices, virtual assistants, etc. These devices have changed the way businesses and individuals collect and analyze data. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, has more potential than entertainment. Still in the entertainment and gaming sector, these technology will be most widely used and adopted by the general public. Now, our favorite one, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is positioned to be the most disruptive technology to the respective industry that adopt them. AI and machine learning has the potential to drastically change the way we do things, our day-to-day life, every aspect of it. If you go to the supermarkets now, we'll see a lot of cashiers anymore. We have that self-checking. That's all AI and machine learning. So why do we think ONPASSIVE is a disruptive technology? ONPASSIVE is the only company, ONPASSIVE is only going to be a disruptive technology in the digital. ONPASSIVE is not only going to be a disruptive technology in the digital space, but also in humanity. ONPASSIVE is bringing viable digital solutions to businesses to accelerate innovation and transform them from strategy to design. ONPASSIVE products are driven by artificial intelligence with a built-in machine learning technology. They are built organically from ground up and aim at transforming global enterprises digitally. Most products out there are not built with those technologies integrated. So what they're doing now, they're trying to do patch up, right? It's not from ground up. ONPASSIVE products are in one environment, our ecosystem, with a single sign-on. They all have what? Application Programming Interface, API, that allows them to communicate with each other in the same environment. These properties allow businesses to reinvent their business model to improve their operational efficiency and clients' experience. That itself is disruptive. Revolutionary marketing campaigns that will drive quicker adaptation of our solution is disruptive. ONPASSIVE itself is disruptive. It is a unicorn company before it is born. That is before we go global live. ONPASSIVE is a company with heart and has a culture of love. Our CEO, Mr. Ashmufara, is an honest person, selfless person who have the heart for humanity, and his vision to eradicate poverty is disruptive on its own. ONPASSIVE is a company that everyone will succeed, regardless of your age, background, and technical skills. That is 100% guarantee. ONPASSIVE viable digital product will be used by everyone, no matter their age or background. ONPASSIVE will make most of us millionaires. We'll join the millionaire club. ONPASSIVE will provide us the opportunity to become financially independent, time freedom to live our dreams and expand our dreams. ONPASSIVE will provide us the opportunity to leave legacy for our family, loved ones, and charities. ONPASSIVE will give us an opportunity of lift and bring hope to less privileged and the forgotten. ONPASSIVE is what? 100% automated, completely done for you, no auto ship, no monthly out-of-pocket subscription, 100% hand-free, 100% advertisement and marketing done for you. This is truly disruptive. ONPASSIVE will provide us with the opportunity to own our own business. ONPASSIVE will provide us with targeted traffic to our businesses. ONPASSIVE will provide us the opportunity to earn compounded residual income. ONPASSIVE will assist the 97% of individuals that have failed online to succeed. All these attributes of ONPASSIVE are disruptive on their own right. ONPASSIVE owns its own data center to host customer data, hence, we have to rely on third party. This is to ensure that customer data is safe and secure. Our data is priceless and not to be sold. Again, this is truly disruptive. Last but not the least, our solution are built with love to stop corruption and uplift humanity. In short, ONPASSIVE will disrupt the internet and any business sector in which it is used. Also, ONPASSIVE will dramatically change the life of many individuals. So these are all the attributes that we say disruptive. I know my sisters here will go into details in each of these aspects. This is a general overview of what disruptive technology is. So my sources are innovatepedia.com and www.cobalt.com and onpassive.com. Thank you, Engineer Mike, for giving me the opportunity to read. And this is what disruptive technology is all about. Thank you, my sister.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sister Dr. Queen Patience, there's a reason why you were called up first, right? You may not know that, but you're the mama of this family because that's how Engineer Mike considers you. We truly appreciate you. And I will start by summarizing what you just shared with our viewers from the bottom to the top. Because you talked about the ONPASSIVE, which is the end for correction to the corruption. That's what brought our CEO to do whatever we are involved in right now. Without that mindset, without him having that vision, he wanted to change something. And we were there to help him in that journey. Isn't that amazing? It's really amazing. An outstanding vision that he shared that with us, and we bought into it. And again, you shared it that you shared with our viewers that ONPASSIVE is an artificial intelligence and machine learning, and this is something that is ageless. ONPASSIVE is ageless. We look back at all the old things from, I remember, Blockbuster into Netflix into where we are right now. What a transition. And a lot of people have forgotten about how much has changed with time. So many of us, especially the younger generation, the Gen Z, the millennials, they don't even know about what you're talking. They do not know. And the only way to know is that for those of us who are here, they're learning from this experience, and hopefully it will resonate with them. And the next generation is going to be another one. But until then, ONPASSIVE is changing the lives of each and every one, regardless of age, regardless of language, regardless of geography, location, regardless of culture, regardless of looks. So all we need to do is know that there isn't a single person today, and I'll start with me. I used to write a lot, from shorthand to whatever, typewriters, manual typewriters, to IBM typewriters, to IBM computers, to those huge Mac that look like the shape of an apple. And then now we're to this down to tiny little bits of things. So I can relate to the changes in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Thank you so much, Auntie Sister Dr. P. All right. We appreciate you. And now we're moving to my next sister, Dr. Benny. And whomever is coming up next, please be prepared because I will just call randomly. Sister Dr. Benny, over to you. The microphone is yours.
Opportunity. Greetings to each and everyone. I am going to share my screen. I have a PowerPoint presentation. Before I proceed, I just want to welcome each and everyone all over the globe. I want to first of all thank my father, our father, if and only you guys believe in it. I'm thanking my father for bringing me here. I want to thank my father for sending somebody to all of us, a visionary. And I believe you all know the visionary, our one and only CEO, Mr. Ash Mofaria. I want to thank him for everything that he has done. And I want to thank our tech brothers and sisters in Hyderabad and Dubai, our COO, Brother Kama, Professor Susan, and the rest of our brand ambassadors. I'm so proud of all the brand ambassadors. Reason is because you guys saw the vision, right? We have 8 billion humans on Earth, but only 1.4 million join ONPASSIVE. I congratulate you guys. Now, Dr. P, thank you so much. I am going to talk about artificial intelligence. As we all know, ONPASSIVE deals with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let me proceed. If you can just give me a minute. Okay, sorry. Maybe I can just read it here, right? Give me a minute, right? Presentation. Oh, Engineer Michael.
It's not going.
I may just read it.
It's not going. You click on it, it doesn't go share.
No.
Okay, but it can allow you to read. Go ahead.
Yes, I can read. Thank you.
Go ahead, Dr. B.
I appreciate it. All right. Thank you so much, Sister Debbie. Well, I know that Sister Dr. Pat, she gave us a definition of disruptive technology. Let me give my own as well. Disruptive technology is an innovation that significantly alters the way that consumers, industries, and businesses operate. A disruptive technology sweeps away the system or habits it replaces because it has attributes that are recognizable superior. Okay, now it comes to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a machine's ability to perform cognitive functions as humans do, such as perceiving, learning, reasoning, and solving problems. The benchmark for artificial intelligence is human level concerning the themes of reasoning, speech, and vision. Nowadays, artificial intelligence is used in almost all industries. Most of the time, people used to think that, oh, if you say ONPASSIVE is utilizing artificial intelligence, I said, yes, they are. But there is a difference between ONPASSIVE and any other company. And one day you guys will know the difference. All right. According to McKinsey, artificial intelligence has potentially to create $600 billion of value in retails, brings 50% more incremental value in banking compared with other analytic techniques in transport, logistic potential revenue jobs is like it jumped up to 89%. In a nutshell, artificial intelligence provides cutting-edge technology to deal with complex data that a human being cannot handle. Artificial intelligence automates redundant jobs, allowing a worker to focus on the high-level, value-added task. When artificial intelligence is implemented skills, it leads to cost reduction and revenue increases. So anyway, we do have history of artificial intelligence. I am going to talk about it next time because of time limit at the moment. The goals of artificial intelligence. Here, the main goal of artificial intelligence, it helps reduce the amount of time needed to perform specific tasks, making it easier for humans to interact with machine, facilitating humans-computer interaction in a way that is more neutral and efficient, improving the accuracy and speed of medical diagnosis, helping people learn new information more quickly, enhancing communication between humans and machine. All right. So we do have subfield of artificial intelligence. So we do have like machine learning and we have deep learning. Despite the fact that we have a lot, but I'm just going to give two at the moment. Machine learning is the art of studying algorithms that learn from examples and experience. Machine learning is based on the idea that some patterns in the data were identified, used for future predictions. The difference from hard coding rules that the machine learned to find such rules. We have deep learning. It is a subfield of machine learning. Deep learning does not mean that the machine learns more in-depth knowledge. It uses different layers to learn from data. The depth of the model is represented by the number of layers in the model. For instance, the Google LayNet model for image recognition counts 22 layers. All right. So we do have some few types of artificial intelligence. There are a lot of them, but I'm just going to give few. Okay, one is called, all right, we have 4 types of artificial intelligence, but I'm going to give 2 at the moment. We have rule-based system that are the simplest form of artificial intelligence. It relies on a set of rules to make decisions. There are several types of artificial intelligence, but the rule-based system are the simplest form. This system relies on a set of rules and it makes decisions, and it also varies. It has effective effectiveness in certain situations. However, they can also be quite limited and may not be able to handle more complex tasks. We have machine learning. Machine learning is a distinct subset of all artificial intelligence that trains a machine to learn. Machine learning models look for pattern in data and try to conclude. Now, in a nutshell, machine does not need to be explicitly programmed by people. Now, the function of a machine learning system can be descriptive, meaning that the system uses the data to explain what happened. It can be predictive, meaning that the system uses the data to predict what will happen. Or prescriptive, meaning that the system will use the data to make suggestions about what action to take. The researcher ruled. Okay, we do have application program interface. An application program interface is a software interface that helps in connecting between the computer or between computer program. It is also an interface that provides an accessibility of information such that weather forecasting is simply what it means, that it is a software interface that offers services to other uh, species of software. So an example will be API SOAP, which is Simple Object Access Protocol. Despite the fact that we have a lot of different types of artificial API, I will forgo that for now. I will focus on data integration. Integration. At the simplest level, integration is the process of combining two or more things to create a whole. For businesses, the term integration often refers to a software or the system integration, which means bringing two multiple business systems to operate as a collaborative unit. Integration also allows information to be shared between the connected system. Regardless of the industry, software integration can be applied to several uses for nearly every aspect of department and businesses, so long as there are multiple system application devices and data set that needs to be connected. All right. In my conclusion, there are many different types of AI, but one of the most complex and powerful is artificial neural network. Artificial neural network are computer systems that are designed to mimic the way human brain learns and makes decisions. They can learn from data, identify patterns, and make predictions. All right. They vary from applications including image recognition, speech recognition, and machine translation. They are also being used interchangeable in areas such as finance, healthcare, where they can help to make better decisions by analyzing large amounts of data. Okay. So as we know that whenever you do your research, I got the information from the history and types of artificial intelligence from Guru 99. Okay, Alibaba Cloud as well. MIT Sloan. Those are where I got my information from. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I appreciate you.
Wow. Dr. Benny, you nailed it. To somebody like a novice like I, who has absolutely no basic knowledge of information technology, you broke it down to the core. Thank you, sis. And I know why we call you Dr. Benny, because you're sharing this knowledge with us and something that you cannot pick up on the street for $97. We appreciate you. There's absolutely practically no way I can go and learn what you just shared. And you just share that it is what is ONPASSIVE to us as founders, as ONPASSIVians. It's a disruptive and innovation, which is not just disruptive, but it's superior. That's what AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning is. Thank you. Thank you so much. And that we can use artificial intelligence for medical. It can help people who are in the medical field. I have to make sure that the people who have medical background is aware of that. And the different types of artificial intelligence and the application for what it's called application for program interface, that is not something you can get from anywhere. You get it from here. The machine learning, how it interprets people's brains and reinterprets it and helps not just the people in medical field, but most importantly, it can talk to you in various phases at different times as you are working with them. They use that whatever knowledge you've inputted in them to reorganize and then improve on it for the next person. Isn't that amazing? And who brought this to us? Our one and only CEO, Mr. Ash Mufari, who has been blessed with that wisdom to share with us. And can I say I am blessed that I'm one of the 1.4 million who happens to have seen this vision for the what price? $97. Ooh, thank you, Sister B. Sister Dr. B. I must add that to it. Okay, thank you. I'm going to call on our very own sister. I'm seeing her right there, my sister Jennifer from Canada. Are you ready, sis? We welcome you. It's such an honor to have you with us today. And we hope it's not just going to be you. You're not the beginning and you will not be the end. You're very welcome and the microphone is yours. I love that smile. Please keep smiling as you speak and share with us tonight.
I'll try to. Thanks for having me. It's great to be with all you wonderful ladies and Michael, of course. So tonight I'm talking about digitalization of systems. So digitalization, excuse me, that word slip doesn't come out very well for me. Digitalization is the process of converting information from a physical or analog format into digital format, where it can be assessed, processed, and stored electronically. It involves the use of digital technologies to transform the way information is collected, analyzed, and used to improve decision-making and to create new business models. Digitalization uses digital technologies to transform business processes, services, and products. It involves the integration of digital technologies such as the internet, cloud computing, mobile devices, data analytics, and various aspects of business operations. Digitalization with ONPASSIVE can help businesses to automate and optimize their processes, reduce costs, increase efficiency, and enhance their customers' experience. By leveraging ONPASSIVE digital technologies, businesses can also create new revenue streams and business models that were previously impossible or difficult to achieve. Digitalization has transformed many aspects of modern society, including communications, entertainment, commerce, education, and the healthcare system. Through ONPASSIVE, a business can use various ways, including improving efficiency. Digital technologies can automate and streamline business processes, reducing the need for manual labor, allowing businesses to operate more efficiently. Number 2, it can enhance the customer's experience, which is always important and very important in our ONPASSIVE ecosystem. Digital technologies can enable businesses to offer more personalized and convenient services to customers, such as online shopping, self-service portals, and mobile apps. It increases agility. Digital technology can help businesses to respond more quickly to changing market conditions, to customer needs, and to competitive pressures. So it always stays ahead of the game. Generating a new revenue stream, digital technologies can enable businesses to create new products and services and reach new markets and new customers. It helps improve decision making. You can can provide businesses with real-time data and insights, enabling them to make more informed decisions and optimize their operations. It improves collaboration. It can enable businesses to collaborate more effectively with their partners, suppliers, and customers, regardless of the location in the world. And they can reach out and meet anybody anywhere. Overall, the future of digitalization is likely to bring about new opportunities and challenges, and businesses will need to be prepared and to adapt and innovate in order to stay competitive in the increasingly digital world. Thanks. That's my presentation on.
You've heard her. You are so. That is outstanding. I thought Sister Benny nailed it, but you killed every aspect of digitalization, which is a different topic because Dr. Benny handled artificial intelligence and machine learning. Sister Queen J, that was amazing. I'm sorry, with my backdrop, I cannot clap because it makes me look like a ghost. So you know how I feel just listening to you talk about digitalization. It eliminates manual labor, which is where most of us who are listening and who are signed in grew up doing manual labor. So digitalization is going to take all of that away and bring us on to conform with what modern life has. And I believe if my mother were still alive, she would tell me she doesn't even know what a computer is. And even my Gen Z kids did not know that I used to have a phone that had an antenna on it when they were born, right? Does anyone have a phone that has an antenna on it nowadays? I don't think so. That's what digitalization is, based on what I've just listened to you say. Yeah. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
You're welcome. I lived through that. So when all everybody was transferring everything to computers from the paper and that was lived through that. So it's interesting to see it come to this level.
That's amazing. Not just the phones and the computers, but the sizes of all the gadgets that existed 15, 20 years ago is no longer the same. And digitalization has taken over everything. There used to be floppy disks, right?
Mm-hmm.
They no longer exist. What does that tell us? Hello, people, our viewers, have an open mind. More is coming. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, which ONPASSIVE has, and its products are beyond comparison. Just be prepared. Be prepared. There's no way we can mention to you or anyone on the platform, tell you in advance. But we can say what used to be, but not what will be, not just with us now, but for generations to come. All right. Thank you so much, Sister J. That's the name I'm always continue to call you. And I appreciate you. We thank you. That was awesome about digitalization. Okay. So coming up next, I'm going to call on Sister Amina. And after Sister Amina is Sister Yasmin.
Thank you very much, my sister Debbie and my other beautiful queens and my brother Engineer Mike. I'm Amina Wehelie. I'm proud brand ambassador. And tonight, I might be, it may be because the Ramadan is going to start. So I will take a break for everything just to beg Allah and pray and, to pray for us, this massive become a massive and everything. But tonight, my presentation based on ONET. And if you can see my screen, it's not much slides. So ONET. ONET is a social media platform that our ONPASSIVE own, one of our big solutions. So ONET is one of most excellent social media platforms to connect with communities of individuals who share your interest. Connect with your friends, family, or customers. So the perspective and where I have seen all connect is the business owner. And I have a message. If you are a business owner, I have a message for you. Our All Connect has so many functions, which is so much useful. It has, apart from posting pictures, photos, or writings or something like that. But and videos, we have blogs, which is excellent for your business. We have a podcasters, we have events, and we have a clubs. Let's see them one by one. All Connect, how the businesses can benefit All Connect. All Connect has a reliable, evolved with advanced AI technology to fit all your requirements and attractive new social media. Because All Connect, how it builds, how it's based with AI, you don't need to use any other social media. As a business owner, I can tell you now, I use a lot of social media currently, which is on the market. But All Connect, it's complete social media. So you won't need to use another social media platform. So businesses can utilize All Connect to send personal messages to customers or friends or family, as I said before, and advertise opportunities for individuals. All Connect offers businesses the advantage of targeted advertisement to reach customers' interest in their brands and product. The other thing, All Connect you can use professionally or a business or personal. So let's see about the functions that I told you now. Let's start with blog. So blogging. Blogging, when you are a business owner, why you need blogging? Yeah? You have a business, yes. You are using All Connect, but All Connect has another version. So why you need blogging? This is the reason that blogging can increase website traffic, build the trust with customers, and expand a business brand. It is even marketing strategy or for your business. Sorry. Okay. What about podcast? Podcast it's not a radio. It's different from radio. So that podcast, that means you can the audience that your audiences can download, they can take with on your mobiles, on your everything. It's not a radio which is online all the time. So what you can do with a podcast when you are a business owner, podcasts are a great way to build trust with your customers because you can talk with them. That allow you to share your expertise and your knowledge based on your business. You can even have your customers' feedback. Okay? And the business with the podcast grow more than the other business which don't have a podcast. Even you can interview with your customers who already used your products. So that gives you a much benefit as a business owner. Okay, events. What is events? You can schedule your event. Example, you have to release a new product. You have something to say or to change or to update the current product. So the event owner allows you have events so the event attendees expect to get update via social media and can you can announce what is new for your business or etc. What is other? Clubs. Here it comes with your niches. You can have as much as clubs, different clubs. This club's my relatives. This is my friends. This is my schoolmates, formal schoolmates. This is my niche. This is my colleagues. Whatever you want to, you can have as much as clubs you need about the ONET. What else? You can have ONET. ONET analyzes your followers. So you can know which post, which photo, which video, which podcast, which event, or which blog gets more attractive to your followers, so that you will base what you are posting on that analysis that you got. Or Connect allow you to target your market. Okay, what is going to do with All Connect? You will know where those clicks came from. The clicks, the people who are following you, the people who are visiting your All Connect posts and your All Connect blogs or podcasts or everything. So you will know who your customers and where they are located all around the world. The other benefit is, oh, sorry. Oh, it's not All Connect. Sorry. I was saying All Connect. Shall I? Oh, I'm sorry. It's ONET. Sorry. It's not All Connect. It's ONET. I'm sorry. All Connect, just, look at on my head as we are going to have a big webinar, tomorrow night. So ONET, you will know your market size. You will know your followers. You will know everything. As I said, it's analysis, who are flowing, how much they are, the number, where they are located, and everything. So that ONET is complete marketing strategy. As you have all, ONET is complete marketing strategy, and you will never need another solution as a social media because you will satisfy with All Connect. I apologize with ONET. I apologize that I keep saying All Connect because All Connect lock it on my, as it is the first solution that we are going to release. It is locked on my mind, so that I apologize a million times, but this is ONET, what I was presenting. Most of the sources, it's from our website, ONPASSIVE.com, and even if you want, you can check it. Thank you very much.
Wow. Queen Sister Amina, you nailed it. You do not have to apologize. We know when you are so excited.
I was keep saying, oh, connect. It is ONET. Oh my God.
It would be rude of me to interrupt you. So I knew you were going to find your way because your mind is already 24 hours ahead, right? O Connect is coming tomorrow. You're thinking about that. You started with ONET. No apologies. Everyone and each and all, everyone who is viewing tonight or will view it later on, understands. So please, you're fine. You give us something about ONET. And I am one of those who is benefiting and will be benefiting because I have my NGO, my non-for-profit organization that I registered in ONET. So you do not have to say anything beyond that. And it's not just me, but from what I heard you say, every business owner is going to benefit from ONET, and personal people were going to benefit from it, from being able to socialize with their loved ones, regardless of where they're geographically located. And those messages will, when ONPASSIVE starts, the messages will go to a targeted audience. That is not something you get nowadays from any other platform. And the podcast aspect of it, where you get trusted customers, you don't get that from anywhere else. I don't think I have it, and I did not know the difference between podcasts and until you explained it. So we appreciate you, and we thank you for that sharing with us tonight. Thank you so much, Sister Amina. And don't worry, we're going to be with you during Ramadan. Okay, we know when it's coming up because we know you and most of our other viewers as well as brand ambassadors. And now over to you, Queen Yasmin.
Hello, everyone, all our beautiful, intelligent, and strong ladies around the King Mike. And also, I will be honored to welcome, especially Jennifer Dixon. Good to have you, sister. Welcome. That's why we call ONPASSIVE disruptive. Even we are getting futuristic. Tomorrow we are already on Connect when we are explaining ONET. I mean, it's already in the meeting of all Connect tomorrow. It's good to be disruptive. So I got in the subject of our king a little short, presentation about OTREAM. So I will share with you a short one, if it allows me the sharing. Yes. Okay. Why it's blurry, I don't know. So we are just going to.
We can see it. Yasmin.
Okay, we are just going to technology and business because we are with business people, and our technology and softwares are disruptive. And as my sisters already took all the biggest, fields about the digitalization and technology and the way that ONPASSIVE is so disruptive in general. I'll just take this little subject, which is called OTREAM, which is also a big opportunity for all the business people. Welcome to OTREAM, made by ONPASSIVE. OTREAM ONPASSIVE is a custom URL shortener. It makes a URL easy to send and share, broadcast and publicize on social media and other platforms. The tool is enriched with unique capacity to shorten the link given website, which is one of also of our backbone solutions. Why OTREAM is important for your business and development. Promoting strategy with OTREAM. Improve it user experience. A well-crafted URL provides both human and research engines and easy to understand the indication for your page. It will also increase your ranking, links, and query strings. The 5 minutes of OTREAM. Ability to track performance, user favor of our precious character. OTREAM promote sharing. People are used to it, lead to higher click-through rate. Benefits of also link tracking, a registered user tracking of your past links showing the user's geolocation, EI, IP, country, city, and enables registered users to understand how many users across the world clicked your link. So we have also the well in our feeds. When we get our links, and also our AI also works for us, plus our O tracker. That's so wonderful. This all AI done deal. AI can bring us, our technology is driven by AI. AI can bring customers to your business in several ways. Personalized marketing. AI can analyze customer data to personalize. And also, if you see that white marketing thing, I got a link to my URL. So when you are also posting, you can also link our link, your Utrim like, and you can send your posts by social media or writing blogs, everything. Efforts is creating targeted campaigns that appeal to specific individuals. Customer service AI powered OES can handle customer inquiries and support, providing 24/7 services without human intervention, which means that when Ash is saying that we have got a done deal, that our business will work while we are sleeping. Recommendations engines. AI can analyze customer behavior and preference to provide personalized product recommendations, increasing the likelihood of purchases. Predictive analytic. AI can analyze custom data to predict future behavior, allowing businesses to make informed decisions about product development, pricing, and marketing strategy. Search engine optimization. AI can optimize website content and structure to improve search engine ranking, increasing visibility and driving traffic to your site. Overall, AI can help your business improve customer engagement, increase conversation, and drive revenue growth by providing personalized, efficient, and effective customer experience. Thank you very much. And that's also one of the wonderful disruptive solutions we got on Passive. It's so wonderful to think about it, having all been done for us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Queen Sister Yasmin. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, Trim. That name is as brief as what it does. It takes this long, very, very long URL and it brings it down, customizes it to whatever we want. The first time I tried it, I just put my name. When I say my name, it's not Debbie. Oh, Debbie is my middle name. My first name, because I'm a twin, is Ngenye. I put my name and I trimmed my link. It came up. I went crazy. That's the excitement I got from it. I mean, I'm not going to add anything to that because it speaks for itself. Sister Yasmin speaks for each and every one of us who wants to know what O-Trim is. Yes, it is that wonderful tool that ONPASSIVE has for us, and it helps us. Those benefits that it has, the one feature that it also has, which I want to highlight as Sister Yasmin shared, is the geolocation. There's so many people and so many women who go to farms and they have their phones, including my sisters, my siblings, they have their phones with them. Can you imagine? They are brand ambassadors. They're going somewhere and someone is tagging and trying to figure out where they are. If something happens, you know where they are. You know how to find them. And my kids, one is at home with me, the other one isn't home. And they're telling me, oh, it's okay, Mom, don't worry, she's fine, she's fine. I say, how will I know she's fine? She's not answering my phone. He said, oh, no, we have something that we can figure out where they are. I said, is that ONPASSIVE? He said, oh, please. When that time comes, let us know. I'm dying to see that time, which is now. So thank you so much. Thank you. I don't want to belabor this. We have two more speakers, Sister Joyce and Sister Bridget. Engineer Bridget, I would say Engineer Bridget. So I'll give the microphone first to Sister Joyce and then Engineer Bridget will end for the night. Thank you so much, Sister Joyce.
Thank you, Sister Debbie, and everyone. Thank you, Mike, so much for the opportunity, and you beautiful, beautiful ladies on the panel. Just a blessing to be here. And again, thank you, Mr. Ashmafire, for the opportunity. And like Dr. Benny said, most of all, thank God for the opportunity for giving Ash the mind and the um, power to present this amazing business called ONPASSIVE. So we're just so thankful. And so I'm just going to talk about Oh Mail. What a powerful, powerful, disruptive thing that's coming through ONPASSIVE. So Oh Mail is AI powered email service that comes with multiple features to enhance and ease the way that we send and receive emails and manage our contacts. So it's a convenient and it's so convenient, user friendly, and it's a solution to every email, for everything that we're going to use in email. So it's a solution to everything in emails that we will need. Omail is a web mail platform created by OnPassive, and the platform enables the user to exchange communication and gives a unique experience effortlessly. So we'll be able to use Omail so effortlessly because it's user friendly. I know with my email I have so much trouble sometimes, but this is going to change the game. It has features that make the best mail platform and a significant competitor in the global market. So we're going to be a great competitor in the global market for the email world. And also, this platform features so many things that you can do to improve your contacts, and you can use their email addresses from existing emails. You can transfer them over and just bring it right over to your existing email, and from your existing email over to Omail. So that's going to be a game changer as well. So AI technology is a domain-based Omail that has intelligent features like unlimited storage, and I know that's something that a lot of businesses will be going over the top for. Online and offline calendar integration, email synchronization across multiple devices. So that's going to be huge for businesses and also, as well as personal uses. So overall, Omero users will be able to create an email and customize it according to their preferences. So that's going to change things as well. It'll also enable notifications across multiple devices and schedule emails and much, much more. So to be able to schedule when you send an email is going to be great. And you don't have to sit there in front of your computer and wait and, spend that time, but it's going to be a time management. Is going to help to free up a lot of time. Omail strives to provide the best experience for its users worldwide by providing them with the latest updates in email, and also creating existing and long-term relationships with the user. So once someone comes onto Omail, they will never change. They'll never go back. You can also step up the way that you connect with Omail. It's skillfully designed and a universal webmail for businesses capable of managing an unlimited number of email accounts from various providers, allowing a smart one push notification for group mailing, and you don't have to sit there and add them one by one, which is awesome. Also, it's going to personalize this across so many email platforms, as I said. Omail comes with the various visual and technical features, so that's going to be huge. It has a swipe action, menus, action bar, buttons, colors, and themes for Omail. For emails, that's going to be great. It's a next-gen mailing tool. It's robust, and it helps to connect all your teams together. And it says Omail's data centers have a top-notch security and surveillance that is reliable 99.9% of the time. So that's awesome. So security is so important in emails, and as well as, making sure that you're able to send things that's going to be encrypted. That's going to be huge for OMail for users. I know for me and my business, that's going to be huge because I have one that I can do that, but to be able to have everything in one place, that's going to be a game changer. And OMail is domain-based email that has integrated calendars to automatically sync your events and updates on the fly. So right away, it's going to do that. You can plan your events. You can invite contacts. You can send reminders. You can also do this with ease. It's going to be, like I said, one step. That's it. Setting up your calendars will be so easy for you to do. OMail offers voice to text and text to voice. That's going to be a game changer. And then also video mailing. Oh my gosh. So when you can, sometimes you get an email, it's long and you don't want to read it. They're going to be able to read it for you, or you can talk, you can speak it and they're going to write it out for you and send it. So that's going to be a game changer. We're going to disrupt this industry, and so excited about the topic, so excited about tomorrow. As we were speaking, it's like it's just going to connect the world. Like you say, it's going to make it a playing field that's not even going to be touchable. So just grateful for everything that's coming. So grateful for this opportunity, and thank you again, Engineer Mike, Ashmafire, and the tech team, and everyone that's doing everything behind the scenes that we cannot even see, that we don't even imagine the things that's going on, that God has prepared for us. And I, like someone said, I'm glad that we took the step to be one of the 1.4 million brand ambassadors. Blessings, everyone.
Wow, you nailed it, Sister Joyce. You nailed it. I cannot believe we have the J Square in the house today. J Square, Joyce and Jennifer. Such an honor. And yeah, yeah, please. Yes, 99.9% secure. That's all mail. And once you are in, you can never leave. And only in ONPASSIVE. Thank you, sis. We appreciate you. All right, Engineer Bridget, over to you. Last but not the least, the microphone is yours. We cannot hear you, and I see your lips moving.
Wait, you can't see me?
No, I saw your lips moving, but I couldn't hear you.
Oh, did somebody mute me?
You're good. No. You're good now.
Okay.
Thank
All right.
you.
I was just going to say that I'm so thankful that I'm last, because what I'm going to say, it's like I'm actually summarizing what everyone has said. So it was like a plan thing, you know? But in any case, I would say thank you to everyone that has spoken, starting with Dr. P, Dr. Benny. My goodness, I hope I don't miss anyone. Sister Jennifer, Sister Amina, Sister Yasmin, and finally, Sister Joyce. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. But most importantly, thank you, Sister Debbie, for coordinating everything, and Engineer Mike. So, my topic today is going to be data science. And I would say data science holds everything together. Data science is the study of data to extract meaningful insights for businesses, right? It is a multidisciplinary approach that combines principles and practices from the fields of mathematics, statistics, artificial intelligence, computer engineering, and everything else to analyze large amount of data. So having said that, the person that works in the data science is a data scientist. So who is a data scientist? The data scientist, in short, is somebody who is going to transform the data into information by cleaning things up and analyzing this data to get insights, identifying trends, patterns, correlations, and finally contextualize and applying everything to understanding them. So that's what the data scientist would do. Okay, so the data scientist is a data is a analytics professional who is responsible for data by collecting and analyzing and interpreting them to help drive decisions making in organizations. And the data scientist role combines elements like a lot of several traditional and technical jobs, including mathematicians, scientists, statisticians, computer programmers, you name it. It involves the use of advanced analytics techniques such as machine learning. You all spoke about that. Predictive modeling, along with application of scientific principles. So as part of the data scientist, the data science initiates data, and they must work with large amounts of data to develop and test hypotheses, making inferences and analyze everything else for the companies. I'll give an example. In businesses, data scientists will typically mine data for information that can be used to predict customer behavior, identify new revenue opportunities, detect, for instance, fraudulent transactions, and meet other business needs. They also do valuable analytics work for healthcare providers, academic institutions, government agencies, sports teams, and other organizations. So data science is in every part of, when you think about the whole world, we need data science. So how does data science, how is it applicable to ONPASSIVE? In my own little way, from my own imagination and from what we have, I would say an example of how ONPASSIVE would utilize data science, and I'm sure we are, we're able to collect data, for instance, as what group of people or what age group of people are using our products and at what time of the day and at what location in order to target them for successful marketing purposes. So that's how I would summarize it. And that's where we are so powerful when it comes to marketing, because everything else sum up together, we're going to run the world. Thank you so much, Mr. Ashmo Farah, for answering yes to the call from above. Yes.
Wow, Sister Bree, you summarize it all with your data. I mean, I will not add anything to that. And not only did you summarize it with the data analysis, but also by appreciating what each and every one who preceded you said, thanking our CEO for sharing his vision with us. That's just outstanding, exceptionally outstanding. Because without the data science, what will scientists do? And that's what ONPASSIVE does, and they do it best. So the data center is there, and those people who are there analyze all the data as to who the users are. So I'm not going to go any further because I know we've exceeded our 1 hour mark, and I see my brother is scratching his head. Oh, so at this stage, I'll say I have to thank everyone. We have this, how many of us here? I want to thank our 7 beautiful queens and sisters who have dedicated the time to be with us, and not just you, but our brother who brought us together, but most importantly, our viewers, those loyal ones, be it one, be it two, but at least more than one is already in plural. Thank you for signing in today. Thank you for listening to us today. We appreciate you and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow at the corporate webinar. And at this stage, I'm passing it over to our brother, Mike, Engineer Mike OJONGTAMBIA, for the closing remarks. Over to you, sir.
Oh my goodness. I told you, like I used to tell every person, every person that I talk to, I said, you think when I come on here, I look good and I speak to you, you think I know? Not really. There are people who have these hidden talents that we've just discovered some of them. When we're doing a product review on my webinars on Sundays, Dr. Benny, yeah, we used to have so many people do the presentations, right? We discovered a lot of talents. So if I can go now around the world and I can tell you people from Togo, people from France, people from from all across the globe, Congo Republic, Democratic Republic of Congo, Cameroon. So many people came to do their presentation, right? So people from Asia as well. Now you will see that there is a reason why our CEO, Mr. Mufare, is very proud of the founders. Okay, there are some points that not remember that when you're doing the research, you never ever research all the points, right? It's a very broad. This topic is a broad one. So, but with what you people have brought, oh my goodness, it's not easy. He's just coming and crying and coming. Oh my, wow, not easy. Yeah. So again, what I'm saying is that you women went right in there and brought in all these amazing points to bring to feed us with, right? I say I cannot never do it all alone by myself, but you people are energizing me to go further because as I'm going in depth, we're going in depth, all of us. It's a journey that we're bringing all this information to people. I just want to thank you all. I mean, I don't know what to say from Dr. Patience, Engineer Bridget, Dr. Benny, Sister Joyce, Amina, and Yasmin, Jennifer from nowhere. Oh my, I just want to say thank you to all of you. And Sister Debbie did an amazing job to moderate this evening. I want to thank you as well. I mean, some of those points you are bringing to, I'm learning. It is a learning process, right? We just learn and learn and learn and go, and we go much more better. Now, we'll be closing with this same video that I showed before. Let's get it again. Talking about the same disruptive technology. Then I'll just close it after the video. Wow. Thank you very much, everybody. So if you go to that video, it is on my YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel of some of the leaders here. It has all these words that we're seeing on passive and disruptive technology, machine learning, artificial intelligence, single sign-on, virtualization. All of those words are being defined in there. So you can pause the video by yourself, play it, pause it, and you can be able to explain it to people. But remember, on passive, the big word is artificial intelligence. The big word is machine learning. The big word is integration and API. That is what on passive is bringing. That is not yet in the industry, or it is very small. So we're bringing in something that is very different. Our systems talk to themselves, as Dr. Patient told us. Dr. Patience, thank you. Thank you, everybody, and our listeners for today. We just want to say thank you, and we can just say our slogan: we are so in it to win it. All of us, as we're living, we are so in it to win it. Please,
So
in it
it's
to win
in
it.
it to win
We're
it.
so in it to win it.
We need
So
Yes,
please,
so in it to
In
win
it
it.
to win it.
please don't also forget, like our sister Debbie says, don't forget a corporate webinar tomorrow. I can't wait to get it. Okay, so we will first have the Burj Khalifa laser display. Then after that, 15 minutes after, we'll go to the webinar. So if you go to the back office, you will see all the details of the webinar, and tomorrow the link will be given to us. So thank you, everybody.